Or how do you choose pick up vendors before?
Before, it's very limited in Canada. You know, when I lived in Canada,
Yeah.
it was limited as far as like clothing blanks there, you know, but I just like was using blanks. I didn't do any cut and sew or anything. I'm just like only getting into it. When I did my AGS stuff, it was more merch style, you know what I mean? So like just like ideas on like blanks and stuff like that. But with this clothing line, I want to go a bit more into like cut and sew and it actually be like a fashion brand as well. That's something that represents me, you know. But the last clothing brand that I did was more merch, so I just used I was just like trying out different things, you know, getting samples sent. And then I found like a good hoodie, but I could never find good sweatpants like anywhere, you know,
Right.
like to fit good, you know, like the female body as well. It was like a lot of like male, but I like baggy pants, but that fit still a bit tight, you know. So it's hard to find that. But you guys look like you do everything, so that's just great.